Cut into strips, 150 bacon diced into bits, 1 onion chopped, 2 peppers on coal, 2 fresh tomatoes, we got it all. Half a liter water, 1 spoon of flour, salt and pepper to taste, give power. Everything's ready, we're set to go. Start up the Tokány, hear that oil flow. Bacon, meat, salt, pepper, let it simmer now. Smell it rising through the house. Tokány's